Writing fractions greater than 1 as mixed numbers. We saw that 3 by 2 can be written as 1 plus 1 by 2. We can write other fractions in a similar way. For example, 4 by 3. That means 4 times 1 by 3. This is 1 unit. This makes 1 unit plus 1 by 3. 1 plus 1 by 3. 3 times 1 by 3 is equal to 1. Next, figure it out. Figure out the number of whole units in each of the following fractions. That means A 8 by 3. A 8 by 3. 1 by 3 plus 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 1 by 3. This is plus 1 by 3. 1 unit, 2 unit, 2 plus 2 plus 2 by 3. 2 whole units. This is 11 by 5. B 11 by 5. That means 2 whole numbers plus 1 by 5. 9 by 4. That means 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, 1 unit. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus, this is plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, another unit, plus 1 by 4. That means 2 plus 1 by 4, 2 whole units. This is whole unit. Here also 2 whole units. Next, can all fractions greater than 1 can be written such mixed fractions? Yes. A mixed number or a mixed fraction contain a whole number called the whole part and a fraction that is less than 1 called fractional part. For example, see here, 2 can be written as 2 is equal to 2 whole number plus 0 by 2. This becomes 0. We get answer as 2, like this. Write the following fraction as mixed fraction. For example, 9 by 2 can be written as 4 1 by 2. 4 whole number 1 by 2. 4 and 1 by 2. Example, next 9 by 2. Solution A 9 by 2. 9 by 2 can be written as just divide 9 by 2. 9 ones are 9. 4 2 8s are 2 4s are 8. 9 minus 8 1. That means 4 whole parts 1 by 2. Next, B. B 9 by 5. Here 1 whole part, 4 remainder 5. 1 and 4 by 5. That means 5 into 1, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. C. 21 by 19 is equal to 1 whole part, 2 remainder 19. 19 ones are 19. 19 plus 2, 21. Next, D 47 by 9 is equal to 47 by 9. 9 5s are 45. 7 minus 2, 7 minus 5, 2, 4 minus 4, 0. That means 5 quotient, 2 remainder, 9 divisor. 5 and 2 by 9. Next, E 12 by 11. That means 1 and 1 by 11. 11 on the 11, 11 plus 1, 12. Okay, this is simple. Next, F 19 by 6. 3 quotient, 1 remainder, 6 divisor. That means, see here, 19 divided by 6 means 6 3s are 18. 9 minus 1, 9 minus 8, 1, 8 minus 1 minus 1, 0. 3 quotient, 1 remainder, 6 divisor. 6 into 3, 18. 18 plus 1, 19. This much for in this video. In the next video, I will discuss mixed number, mixed fraction as a regular fraction. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.